So I sold my BMW M2. I still have the Alpha, but now I need something different, bigger, more practical, and ready for a few adventures. I've narrowed it down to two iconic trucks, the all-new Toyota 4Runner and the reborn Land Cruiser. They're surprisingly close in specs and price, so close in fact, that by the end of this video, I might just decide which one I'm buying. Let's talk about power first. Both use Toyota's iForce Max hybrid setup, 326 horsepower, 465 pound-feet of torque. Sounds strong, right? But in practice, it's not quite that simple. The Land Cruiser especially feels like it's working hard just to keep up with traffic. It's loud, slow to respond, and honestly, not effortless. The 4Runner doesn't exactly leap off the line either, but the non-hybrid version does feel lighter and more eager. Now the Trailhunter trim is a big deal. It replaces the TRD Pro and positions itself as the overlander's dream. It's got Old Man Emu suspension, a roof rack, extra protection. Meanwhile, the Land Cruiser plays it more subtle. Full-time all-wheel drive, stabilizer bar disconnect, and slightly quicker steering. Both drive like trucks. Body on frame means you still get those jolts and jitters over bumps. But on the highway, the 4Runner actually surprised me. It tracks dead straight, even with that off-road lift. Inside, the 4Runner has more fun. There's a 14-inch screen, a chunky Tacoma steering wheel, and actual storage space. The Land Cruiser feels more government-issued, functional, but bland. Here's something the Land Cruiser can't offer: a third row. That's available in the non-hybrid 4Runner. And that version also weighs less and feels nimbler around town. All right, let's play devil's advocate. What about a Defender 110 with the inline 6? Smoother on the road. But do I trust it long term? Not really. Bronco? Sounds like a freight train on the highway. I like my eardrums. Ineos Grenadier? Makes you feel like Indiana Jones. But it's just too expensive. Of all the big SUVs I've driven, the 4Runner, even with its little 4-cylinder hybrid, just speaks to me. It feels honest, capable, and like it'll still be working in 20 years. I'm leaning toward one of these two, but I'm going to reveal my actual purchase in a full video coming soon. Want to see which one I picked? I've got a full ownership video dropping soon, daily driving, road trips, and whether it was the right call. So if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, click the bell, and I'll see you in the next one.